Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely essential for your health: essential nutrients and their role in keeping us alive, energetic, and thriving. We'll also explore bioactive compounds, how our nutritional needs change over time, and what you need to know before taking dietary supplements. What are essential nutrients? Essential nutrients are components in food that our bodies cannot make on their own, yet are critical for growth, function, and health. That means we must get them from our diet. There are 6 classes of essential nutrients: carbohydrates, the main source of calories and energy in our diet. Fats, provide energy, support growth and development, immune function, vitamin absorption, hormone production, and much more. Proteins and amino acids, the body's structural building blocks, responsible for building and repairing tissues, and maintaining muscle and lean body mass. Vitamins, 13 essential vitamins keep our nerves healthy, help us resist infection, assist with blood clotting, and keep our metabolism running. Minerals, needed only in small amounts, but crucial for muscle contraction, fluid balance, digestion, bone building, blood pressure regulation, and more. Water, delivers nutrients to cells, regulates body temperature, acts as a shock absorber and lubricant, and helps remove waste from the body. Bioactive compounds. While not classified as essential, since a deficiency doesn't cause disease, bioactive compounds may offer important health benefits. Some well-known examples include carotenoids, colorful plant pigments in red, yellow, and orange fruits and vegetables. They are powerful antioxidants that may help prevent cancer, heart disease, reduce the risk of eye disease, and boost immunity. Resveratrol, found in the skin of grapes, blueberries, raspberries, and mulberries. It may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Flavonols, found in tea, red wine, and cocoa. They may positively influence cardiovascular health. Phytoestrogens, plant compounds that may lower cholesterol and improve heart health. Found in soy and other legumes, they are also being studied for potential breast cancer risk reduction. Besides, healthy eating is important at every stage of life, but the amount we need and how well our bodies process nutrients can change with age and health status. For example, older adults may need more vitamin D and calcium for bone health, more B12 for brain and blood health, and more fiber for digestion. As we age, our sense of thirst may decline, so extra water intake can be important. Medical conditions or medications may also require diet adjustments. Some people may need supplements, such as vitamins, minerals, herbs, amino acids, enzymes, or bioactives, to fill nutritional gaps. But choosing a safe supplement is key. Here's the reality: the FDA regulates supplements, but not as strictly as drugs. Companies don't need approval before selling supplements, nor must they prove their claims before marketing. Some supplements are safe and beneficial, but others can be harmful. Warning: safety tips when choosing supplements: talk to your healthcare provider, especially if you're taking prescription or OTC medications. Avoid mega doses, too much can harm you. Natural doesn't always mean safe. Be cautious with claims that sound too good to be true. Magnifying glass tilted left when researching online: look for credible sources, academic experts, government health agencies, and peer-reviewed studies. You can visit the Office of Dietary Supplements at the National Institutes of Health for reliable information. A well-rounded diet with nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains will give most people the nutrients they need. Supplements can help in certain cases, but only when truly necessary, and ideally under professional guidance. Eat smart, choose your information wisely, and always listen to your body.